Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool Dishwasher Spray Arm. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new spray arm. The spray arm helps clean the dishes on the upper rack. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the dishes aren't getting clean. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we can pull out the upper rack. We can use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the screw that holds in the spray arm. Once you have the screw coming out, you want to grab it so you don't drop it. And you can let the water supply tube and the spray arm drop down. Just kind of let that hang there. Make sure you don't lose the spacer. And then we can pull the spray arm out of the dishwasher. Here's the old spray arm next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new spray arm in, I'm just going to line it up with the fill tube and set it on that. Once you have it in place, you can lift it up onto the mount. Once you have it pushed up onto the mount, you can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screw in that holds it on. Once you have the screw tightened down, you want to make sure the spray arm spins freely. Then you can push the upper dish rack back in. Close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.